Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and updated guide on how to delete a message on Discord using your Android device. If you've sent a message that you'd like to remove, don't worry. We've got you covered with simple steps to achieve that. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages without any issues. Once you're in the app, navigate to the channel or direct message where the message you want to delete is located. This part is crucial, as you need to find the exact message you wish to remove. Now that you've found the message, tap and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options. In the menu that appears, look for the Delete Message option. Go ahead and tap it. This will prompt a confirmation message to appear, just to ensure you really want to delete it. Finally, tap Yes to confirm your decision. And just like that, the message will be deleted. And there you have it. Deleting messages on Discord from your Android device is quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging on Discord.